In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp for email marketing. By the end, you'll know how to build a clean, simple campaign from scratch and send it with confidence. We'll keep things practical and focused so you can follow along in your own account and get your message out quickly. Start by opening Mailchimp and heading to your dashboard. From there, go to Campaigns. This is where all your past and draft campaigns live, and it's the central place to create something new. Click Create to start a fresh campaign. You'll be prompted to give your campaign an internal name. Click into the internal name field and type a clear label you'll recognize later, something like marketing or a short phrase that describes the purpose of the email. A good naming convention saves you time when you have multiple campaigns and want to reference performance or reuse content. Once that's set, click Begin. You'll land on Layout options. Choose basic layouts to keep things straightforward and flexible. Then select Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank, distraction-free canvas so you can focus on your message and brand. Simple layouts are also easier to keep mobile-friendly, which is key since many subscribers open emails on their phones. On the right side, you'll see the Content Blocks panel. This is your toolkit for building the email. Click Heading and add it to the top of your design. Type in your heading text. Make it clear, benefit-driven, and consistent with the subject line you'll write later. Your heading should instantly tell readers what they'll get from the email, and it should be short enough to scan quickly. Think of it as your on-page headline that earns the next scroll. Next, add your visual. Click the image block and place it where it makes sense, typically below the heading or as a hero image. Click Add, then browse images to open your library. Choose the image you want, click on it, and then click Insert. When it looks right in the layout, click Done. For best results, use a crisp, on-brand image that supports your message rather than distracts from it. Aim for optimized file sizes so the email loads fast, and keep generous padding so your design feels clean and easy to read. Now let's add your main copy. Drag a paragraph block into the body area. This is where you'll write the context, the core message of your email. Type your content in a friendly, concise voice that leads readers toward a single action. Use short sentences and tight paragraphs to make the email skimmable. Front-load the most important information and be specific about what the reader should know or do. If you mention dates, offers, or updates, keep them clear and unambiguous. Consistency in tone and formatting helps your brand feel trustworthy and professional. When you're happy with the content and layout, click Save and Exit. You'll return to your campaign overview where you can finalize key details. Go to the subject field and add your subject line. Keep it straightforward, relevant, and aligned with your heading. Clarity almost always beats cleverness. Consider keeping it under about 50 characters so it displays well on mobile, and avoid excessive punctuation or words that might trigger spam filters. A short preface that reflects the value of the email will help lift opens and engagement. With everything in place, click Send. Mailchimp will handle the rest and begin delivering your campaign to your audience. That's it. You've created a clean, professional email using basic building blocks, a strong headline, supporting imagery, and clear copy, then finalized it with a focused subject line. If you follow this flow each time, name clearly, start with a simple layout, build with content blocks, write with clarity, and finish with a solid subject, you'll have a repeatable, efficient process for email marketing that's easy to refine as you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.